Hello everyone, welcome to Ferdinand Tutorials. Now in this video I want to answer a vital question that prompted up while I was reading a particular text. Now it was about sciences. When you were in your secondary school, you went into a particular science class and some of your mates to arts. And while you were in sciences, you were studying biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics. Those were the core science subjects that you did, while you were in secondary school. You entered into university and then you tried to broaden it. Now, this begins to beg the question, why is it that individual, prefer to study science and not art? Why do you want to study science? You that is studying biochemistry, biology, chemistry, why do you choose that particular course? Now, while I was going through the concept of this video, I found out that it's all about inquisitiveness. Individuals try as much as possible to move into sciences because they want to know more about a particular concept. They want to know about how life exists in terms of biology, the chemical compounds, in terms of chemistry, the mathematics, the physics. Now you begin to look at individuals studying medicine. Medicine is not just a course on its own. Medicine, is a borrowed concept from generally biology. So medicine is made up of biology and biochemistry. Now, where is biochemistry from? Biology and chemistry. So we begin to look at the core concept of science courses, just as I mentioned, biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics. So we need to understand that for an individual to choose to study science courses, it simply means that such individuals are inquisitive. They want to know more about life. They want to know how is it that this particular stuff happened? Who are the first people that existed? I am not trying to water down those studying art. Of course, they are doing something good for the society too. An individual that studies maybe public administration or mass communication, they are also trying to better their own field. It doesn't mean that they are studying less of a course compared to us that are doing sciences. But I'm trying to say that, science course is, more of trying to bring up solution that will help the nature, that will help the human race. Trying to know why is it that this thing is happening? Why do we have this particular stuff happening? Why do we have 8 planets as of today? Why is it that when I eat food, it takes this amount of time to digest? Why is it that when I enter into the rain with an umbrella, the rain does not touch me inside? That's flowing through the umbrella. It just touches the umbrella and then it backs off. Those are the understanding of sciences. Are we there now? Now, in recent studies, we begin to look at what we call genetic engineering. That's in biochemistry. One individual can engineer a particular gene, recombinant enzyme, DNA recombinant technology, trying to engineer, a particular enzyme to solve a particular problem. So for me, I feel like we study science because we want to produce solutions to humanity. I feel like we study science because we want to help out those, who are in need, not by giving money actually, but by bringing our knowledge into action. I'm also saying that we study science because, we want to know about how the world works. Why is it that this thing happens at this particular time? So those are my reasons why we study science. So in the comment section, why do you think you are studying science? Because different strokes for different folks.